Hey guys, so Apple is now preparing to launch a brand new iPhone as early as next week. Yes, you heard that right. According to Mark Gurman, Apple plans to launch an overhaul iPhone SE as early as next week with major features including iPhone 14 design, an Apple A18 chip, Apple Intelligence, a bigger screen, and even USB-C. Yes, according to this latest report, we could be seeing a brand new iPhone as early as next week. And in this video, I wanted to share with you guys everything we know so far in regards to this new device. So we have officially obtained a dummy unit for Apple's unreleased iPhone SE 4 or iPhone 16e. We're not exactly sure what Apple will be calling this device, but either way, one thing we can all agree is that these dummy units oftentimes accurately predict exactly what Apple will be releasing. And remember the iPhone 16 dummy unit? I shared this one with you months ahead of time before the release of the iPhone 16, and everything was basically spot on, from the rumored colors, the new camera layout and module, from the new camera control button on the iPhone 16, the dimensions, everything was pretty much spot on. So if history is any indication, it looks like this could be the next iPhone SE 4. Now, keep in mind, there's a few things we can take away from this new dummy unit here. Number one is Apple is updating the design on iPhone SE. The current third generation looks very similar to the iPhone 8 with a more rounded off design. This one is a squared off design, very similar to the iPhone 14, as you can see right here. Now, one thing that I did want to talk about is the mute switch or the action button. According to some of the latest reports, we could be getting the action button, but this dummy unit represents a mute switch, so we're not sure exactly what's going to happen here. I don't think that's going to matter much for most users, but either action button or mute switch are still both on the table. Now, in terms of ports, obviously we're going to be getting the USB-C port. In terms of screen size, we're hearing 6-inch display, or 6.06 to be exact, is what we're hearing in terms of dimension. Now, one thing to note is that we're not sure if Apple will be adding dynamic island or a notch. Now, I thought to myself, what if Apple is actually working on two different versions for the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 16e, the iPhone SE 4 with the notch and iPhone 16e with dynamic island. And now this is just my thoughts, just wanted to throw that one out there, but so far we don't know exactly what's going to be coming to this device, rather it's a notch or dynamic island. I believe it's going to be dynamic island, or there's perhaps two different models. Now, the colors is rumored to be black and white. No camera controls on this device, but we do have a large camera sensor on the back. This is a 48 megapixel camera sensor set to be coming to this device, similar camera sensor as the iPhone 15, the main camera sensor. So it should be a very versatile camera for the iPhone SE 4. Now, powering this device is Apple's A18 chip, which, by the way, obviously will bring Apple Intelligence to the new iPhone SE. Now, in regards to pricing, Apple will most likely keep the price below $500. It could start at $429 just like the previous model, or perhaps increase slightly to up to $499 on this specific model. Let me know what you think about this one. Would this be enough to entice you to update if you have an iPhone, perhaps 12 or even 13? Let me know in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found this information helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.